Okay, here we are at the last question, question 17. This question is to do with units and parts. So for the benefit of those who are not in the study group, those who are in the study group, we actually had a chance, quite a lot of chance to do quite interesting units and parts. So why not we use this video to share with those who will not be able to join us for the study group. Alright, on units and parts. So why do I know there's units and there's parts? Because obviously there is fractions right over here, and then after that you have got parts here, which is like this person is 40%, that the other person is 60%, that kind of thing, the number of parts there. So I know it's units and parts. Alright, so in the study group we were told that people don't like percentage, so we are going to change this to fraction. 2/5. Alright, so that's a very nice idea. It's easier sometimes to see by fraction, you know how many units belongs to which notes. Alright, so let's start. We have got two types of notes, the $5 notes as well as the $10 notes. Okay, now since I have something called use, so it seems that I have a before and I may have an after. Okay, so let's find out first. Before you use up there's altogether 27 pieces. Before you use up 3/4 of it, meaning to say you actually had 4 units, right? But you use up 3/4 of it. So you use up 3/4 of it and you end up with 1 unit. You use up 3/4, of course you are left with 1/4. Right now, here you put in 12 more, but there's a problem. I don't know how many units is this for $10. Okay, so just for the purpose of putting in the tables, I know there were a total of 27 at the start, 27 as a whole number. Okay, obviously 4 units are $5 notes, so that leaves you with the rest $10 notes, right? So I just take 27 minus 4 units, although it looks like nonsense, but we'll just write it down first. Okay, then after that you use up 3/4 of the $5 notes and you put in 12 more pieces. So this one now plus 12. Okay, so interesting, 27 plus 12 minus 4 units is what happens after that. And we can simplify it, right? 27 plus 12 is 39. 39 minus 4 units. And as a result, the number of $5 notes was 2 units. The $10 note was 5 units. So this is where the parts comes in. This one and this one. This one is 2 parts. This one is 5 parts. Since it's 40%, so 2/5, right? Two parts for $5, 5 parts for the other one. Okay, now one is 2 parts, the other one is 5 parts. If you recall in our lesson, one way for unit and parts is to make both parts equal. So to make both parts equal, 2 and 5, I can actually make a total of 10 parts. Right? I can make this 10 part and this one 10 parts too. Now for me to do that, of course I need to blow up 5 times for here. For here, I need to blow up 2 times so that both sides will now be 10 parts, 10 parts. Okay, so let's start. So now 1 unit times 5, we blow up 5 times, now this becomes 5 units. And this 5 units is equals to, I'm going to blow up the $10 twice. So 39 times 2 will be 78. Instead of 4 units now, it's minus 8 units. Wow. So we have something out already. 5 units is equals to 78 minus 8 units. So like I said, when you have a minus sign and an 8 and you bring it over to the other side, it is 5 units. Instead of minus, now it's plus. 78 remains. Okay, a minus sign brought over to the other side becomes a plus. A plus sign or nothing bring over becomes a minus sign. So this is a total of 13 units, and 13 units is 78. We will find 1 unit, which is 6. Alright, so right now we will want to find how much is this 4 units, which is parked here. Okay, 4 units is actually 24. Okay, sorry, my mistake. Why am I finding the 4 units? I'm finding the 4 units because I'm trying to find part A. What was the total value of the $5 at first? There's 4 units altogether. So there's 24 pieces of $5 at first. So that's how I have 120 as the first answer. Okay, a bit confused over there. So 24, finding 4 units, finding 4 units because that's the unit before. Okay. Now what was for part B, what was the total amount of money Lucas had in the end? Wow, where is all the in the end? All the ones that are in the end is, let me highlight here. But you already know 1 unit is 6, right? So I should say this is actually quite easy now. If you could work it out on your own, since I know $5 left is 1 unit, so 1 unit is actually that's actually $30. 1 unit is 6 pieces. 6 times 5 is $30. What about this 39 pieces? Okay, it can get a bit confusing because I'm very messy over here. Let's just do in a very organized manner. Okay, so we know that 1 unit is 6. $5 will be 6 times $5, which is $30. For the $10 one, you have 39 minus 4 units. And if you know 4 units is actually 4 times 6. So 39 minus 24 is 15. There are 15 pieces of $10, which is 150. Now you add up the total, it will be 150 plus 30, which is 180. That's the answer, the value. This is number times value, 180. So this gives you the answer for both. Alright, units and parts. So units and parts very useful, especially if at the end of it, they tell you how many parts are left. This will be very useful to use. Okay, so I'll see you back in class.